Hi everyone, me again with the reading challenge, and today we will come to the chapter 9, A Sad Night, in the story of a seagull and the cat who taught her to fly. Uh, I am reading aloud one of the paragraphs that interested me. This is the first paragraph uh, in which we can see our cats organize a barrier for the dead seagull and with their respect. Let's start. By the light of the moon, Secretariat, Einstein, Choba, and Connor dug a hole at the foot of the China tree, shortly before, taking great care not to be seen by any human. They had dragged the dead gun from the balcony to the interior patio. Quickly, they rolled her body into the hole and covered it with a dirt. Then the coroner delivered in a solemn address. Brother Cast, on this moonlit night, we must bid farewell to the remains of the an unfortunate girl whose name we had never had a chance to find out. All that we were able to learn about her, thanks to the knowledge of Brother Einstein, is that she belonged to the species of agitated girls, and that perhaps she came from very far away, there where the river joins the sea. We know very little about her, but the important thing is that she was dying by the time she reached Joba's balcony. He being one of our own, of course, and thus she placed all her faith in him. Choba promised to care for the eggs she laid before she died, and for the chick that will be born from it. She, and then, most difficult of all, brothers, he promised to teach the chick to fly. Fly, volume 6, letter F. They heard Einstein mumble in his whisper.